Note that the lock body is not included in the package. Remove the reversing screw. Adjust the direction of the front lock handle according to the door opening direction. Test whether the handle is used normally. Whether left open or right open, the clutch arrow always points up. Adjust the direction of the rear panel handle according to the door opening direction. The operation is the same as above. Test again. Connect the front and rear panel cables to conduct the power test. Check if the power is working. Test whether the function of password, fingerprint and card are used normally. Adjust the direction of the lock tongue according to the direction of opening the door. Select the proper square steel length according to the door thickness. Attention! Select the proper square steel according to the thickness of the door. Insert the square steel. Front panel. Install proper bushing according to door thickness and tighten with pliers. Install the front panel. Ensure the square steel is aligned with the square hole. Rear panel. Intercept proper anti-lock blade. The length of the anti-lock blade can be longer than the thickness of the lock body. Notice. Must put the spring into the square hole. Attention, must put the spring into the square hole. If the spring is lost, the square steel may be displaced and the lock will be not open normally. Install the rear panel, connect the front and rear panel cables, and align the anti-lock blades with the anti-hole. Adjust the position of the panel, fully tighten the upper and lower screws. Attention! Before tightening the screws, observe whether the position of panel is parallel to the door. If they are not parallel, please adjust it. After the adjustment, fully tighten the upper and lower screws. Test anti-lock unlock. Test fingerprint unlock. Test whether anti-lock unlock is normal. The installation process. It is recommended not to put the key in the home in daily use. Keep a key in the car or office just in case. When the battery is dead, you can use an external power supply for emergency power supply and replace the battery in time. Thank you all.